guys, we're at Trentham Gon's light switch on today. Yeah, so it might be a bit noisy, a bit of copyrighted music. I do apologise. Let's have a wander around.
Time of year, so Trentham is incredibly lucky to have him tonight. So please, without further ado, give a huge warm welcome to Father Christmas!
Hello Trentham, how are we?
Hi everybody!
Say hello to my elf friend here, Tinkles. Everybody, hello, Tinkles!
Oh, hello!
Fantastic. Now, you're making your list, you're checking it twice. Will Christmas shopping be naughty or nice? Yes, do we all know a particular Christmas carol? Jingle Bells?
Oh, let's see.
Yes, I think we should all sing it together. What do you think, Tinkles?
I reckon let's count down from 3
Yes.
and we'll sing Jingle Bells together.
3, 2, 1. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Down. Are you ready to count down with us? We're going to count from 10 and we're going to go to 0. Are we ready?
Are we ready, everybody? Starting at 10. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas, everybody!
Merry Christmas, everybody! Merry Christmas!
Come, Camel. I forgot to do the outro. Oh well. It's going to be an ongoing theme, isn't it? Yeah, it was a good night. It was only me and the missus that went. Yeah, like I say, it was a free event, so obviously it was busy. It was busy trying to get into the place, and getting out was different. Should we say? It was very, very busy trying to get out. But yeah, it was, good. Spent a bit of money because all the shops were still open. But yeah, quite good. So yeah, leave it there, guys. If you like this sort of thing, like, comment, subscribe, and all the YouTube goodness. And see you next one. See you later, guys. Bye.